Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to use track changes and compare two documents in Microsoft Word. Suppose I send this document to my friend for editing. After editing, he will send me, and how can I know what changes he has done? When I send this document to my friend, he will go to the review and apply the track changes. It's enabled now. Suppose he is doing computer hardware bold. Track changes display the font bold. It should be bold. And after that, he has done editing like type, SSD, hard disk, drive. And after editing hard disk drive, and now he will type random access memory here. You can see here all the changes will be displayed in red color. When I select the M and press M, it will display instead of these, I want these. And the hardware section, I want to display italic. Now you can see here it comments section will be display the font italic. Now my friend sent this document to me, and I will review where the changes are acceptable or not. Just go to the review, and if I want these bold, I will accept these changes. Yes, and accept. Now changes has been done. Now hard disk drive I want. I simple click accept, and random access memory I want to reject it. Just I select, click reject, and now format all the track changes has been applied. And now you can see computer hardware I select accept, and hard disk drive I select accept, and hardware I select accept. I have selected accepted. Now changes has been done. And if I want to compare these document to the original document where the track changes has been applied, when I want to know, then I will compare this document to the original document. Then Word display the track changes document. Just go click compare and compare. Now original document I have already copied. It's a tutorial 11, and this document is tutorial 11 copy. Now press OK. Now this is the original document, and this is a track which I have applied the track changes revised document, and here is a document Word display. Here is a track changes has been applied, and this is a formatting bold applied, comma deleted, inserted, hard disk drive. All the editing are displayed here. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.